Once upon a time, in the heart of the vast blue ocean, there was a beautiful underwater kingdom named Coral Haven. The kingdom was filled with glowing seaweed gardens, sparkling fish friends, and laughter that echoed through the ocean waves. Queen Meris, the beloved ocean princess, ruled over this happy kingdom. She had shimmering scales that reflected all the colors of the rainbow and wore a crown made of luminous pearls. Her heart was as warm as a summer day, always caring for her ocean friends and ensuring that joy and peace flourished everywhere. But one tempestuous night, a dark shadow swept over Coral Haven as the wicked Devil Kingdom from the abyss emerged. Led by the fearsome King Kronos, a fearsome creature with fiery eyes and a cloak made of turbulent waves, the Devil Kingdom wanted to cast darkness over Meris's shining realm. King Kronos sent his sinister sea serpents to frighten the merfolk and whisk away the young seahorses, creating chaos wherever they swam. Coral Haven was no longer bathed in shimmering light but shrouded in menacing darkness. Bracing herself for the struggle ahead, Princess Meris called upon her bravery and wisdom. She gathered her loyal friends, Starfish Stella, Professor Pufferfish, and Coco, the delightful dolphin, to think of ways to restore peace in their kingdom. Princess Meris knew she had to outsmart King Kronos. She remembered the tale of the mystical seashell, a legendary artifact that could break through any wicked magic. However, the seashell was hidden deep within the northern currents, guarded by ancient sea dragons. Determined, Meris and her friends embarked on the daring adventure, facing swirling whirlpools and dodging fierce coral giants as they journeyed to the northern currents. Stella's ability to blend in with the ocean floor helped them sneak past several guards. Coco's speed dashed them past monstrous seaweed traps, while Professor Pufferfish's knowledge guided them safely through the currents. Finally, they arrived at the hidden cave of the sea dragons. Princess Meris approached the dragons with kindness. She explained the plight of her kingdom and her need to save it from the shadow of the devil. Touched by her pure heart and courage, the dragons agreed to lend her the mystical seashell. With the seashell's magical shimmer in her hands, Princess Meris and her friends raced back to Coral Haven. As she held the shell high above the waters, its luminescent rays cut through the darkness, spreading warmth and hope throughout the kingdom. The serpents of King Kronos slithered back into the abyss, unable to withstand the shell's radiant light. Seeing his terrible plans fail, King Kronos vowed to never return, retreating into the depths from whence he came. Coral Haven was saved, and joy once again bubbled in the hearts of everyone. There was a grand celebration, with dances and songs that echoed across the ocean's expanse. Queen Meris thanked her friends, her heart full of gratitude for their courage and loyalty. Together, they vowed to protect their ocean home forever. And so, under the vibrant colors of the shimmering corals, Coral Haven became more beautiful and happier than ever, with Princess Meris reigning with her brave heart and generous spirit. The end. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.